The Squirrel-Bot Revolution, one leg, zero limits. Squirrels are nature's parkour experts, leaping from branch to branch with incredible precision and agility. Robots, not so much, until now. At UC Berkeley, engineers and biologists teamed up to study how squirrels land with such pinpoint control. The result? A one-legged robot named Salto that can leap onto narrow perches, no flat ground needed. Inspired by squirrel biomechanics, Salto adjusts the posture mid-air just like a squirrel balancing on a tiny branch. If it's overshooting, it stiffens up. If it's falling short, it crouches. The result is a smarter, more agile robot. The team gave Salto's adjustable leg forces, helping it land and balance, all without gripping feet. It's a big leap for robotics and a small hop towards robots that can navigate forests, disaster zones, and maybe even Saturn's moons. Because if you want a robot to go places, sometimes it helps to think like a squirrel. And that's your robot news update for today. Don't forget to join me for my weekly live Robot Optimised workshop if you're interested in learning more about robotics and the latest trends for business. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy, and I'll see you next time.